This is Circus Fit. I'm Carrie, and I'd like to talk about overcoming training plateaus. So if you're still trying to get your invert in the air, or your pull-up, or your splits, or your straddle, don't worry, you're not alone. I have some tips on how to overcome your training plateaus. First, fine-tune your focus. Take a little step back from learning skills and take a little more time working on your strength or flexibility, whichever one that you're having trouble with, or maybe both. Science says that it takes 4 to 6 weeks to make any kind of fitness gain, which means strength or flexibility. So it takes consistent practice working towards these goals in order to make any gains. So try to take 4 to 6 weeks to really focus on overcoming your plateau. It may seem like a long time now, but in the long run it's not. Drills. During this 4 to 6 weeks of fine-tuning your practice, work on disciplined drills, specifically working towards these goals. The amount of time you train is important too. 2 to 3 times a week is ideal. Be careful not to overtrain either. Your muscles do need time to rest. Most importantly, get yourself a personal coach. So having self-discipline is really important so that you can keep doing the work. But at least once a week, work with a personal coach that can really help advance you in these skills. It doesn't really have to take long to overcome these plateaus. Even if you've had the plateau for a long time, it doesn't have to take long to overcome it if you're doing it efficiently and consistently with discipline and with a coach. But it does take some work and some focus. So try to enjoy it step by step. I hope you can come train with me at one of my Circus Fit Intensives, and I can help you put it all together, break through those plateaus, get more flexible, and really learn about efficient training and have a lot of fun.